A very good morning, student. This is Jyoti Pandey, and today's lecture topic is Introduction about the branches of microbiology. So, there is a description about the branches of microbiology. Microbiology is divided into the several branches. First one is bacteriology. Bacteriology means study of bacteria. This term is made up of two Latin words. First one is bacterio and next one is logos. Bacterio means bacteria and logos means knowledge or study. So this branch means study of bacteria. Next one is mycology. Myco means fungi and yeast. Logos means study. So this branch deals with the study of fungi and yeast. Third one is videology. Video means virus. So this branch deals with the study of viruses. Next one is parasitology. Parasitology is the study of parasitic protozoans and helminthes. Next is immunology. Immunology branch deals with the humoral and cellular immune responsible diseases. Next one is psychology or also known as algology. Algology means study of algae. Next is nematology. Nematology is the study of nematodes. Further, microbial physiology. Microbial physiology branch deals with the study of how the microbial cell functions biochemically. It also includes the study of microbial growth, microbial metabolism, and microbial cell structure. Next class is microbial ecology, the relationship between microorganisms and their environment. Molecular microbiology means the study of molecular principles of the physiological processes in microorganism. Next class is microbial genetics. This deals with the study of how genes are organized and regulated in microbes in relation to their cellular functions and also relates to the field of molecular biology. Next class is microbial taxonomy. Taxonomy terms means naming and classification. So this branch deals with the naming and classification of. Now comes to the importance of microbiology. Microbiological science have a significant roles in field of microbiology. Generally, the microbes play an important role. They are helpful in the photosynthesis and decomposition process. They also responsible for several beneficial product formation like vaccines for human use. But they are also having some disadvantage. They are responsible for causing several kind of communicable diseases which cause a severity of infections. Now, modern uses of microbes. Microbes are generally used in many fields of area. Generally, they are used in biotechnological science, genetic engineering, gene therapy, and genetically modified bacterial processes. Number one, biotechnology. The use of microbes as miniature biochemical factories to produce the food chemical used from various past time periods. Genetic engineering makes use of molecular biology and recombinant DNA techniques as new tools for biotechnological science. Gene therapy replaces missing or defective genes in human cells through genetic engineering. Genetically modified bacteria are used to protect crops from pests. Now, the microbiological taxonomy. Taxonomy means naming and classification. So, microbes are divided into the several branches. First one is bacteria, second one is archaeas, and third one is eukarya. Bacterial species are maybe pathogenic in nature or maybe beneficial for human use. Bacterial species are unicellular in nature. Archaeas are also unicellular in nature, but eukaryotes are generally multicellular, but some are unicellular. But they are having several organs inside the cell. Eukaryotes involve several microbes like virus, protozoans, fungi, algae, and several plants and animals. This is a diagrammatic representation of microbes like bacteria, fungi, virus, and protistas. Protistas, for example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena. These are protozoans which are having a locomotory sections for the movement, and viruses are the complex cell forming structured organism. They are very smaller in size, and several times they are cannot be seen by a simple microscope. Using a optical microscope for the representation and completely visualization of such organism. Fungi are like molds. They are responsible for fungal infections like penicillin mold. Bacteria, some are healthy and some are non-healthy. Like healthy bacteria which is present in our body, it's E. coli, and outer side healthy environment like you lactobacillus, bacilli species. Microorganism classified into the four major classes. Number one, non-cellular organism. That means the organism which do not have a cellular body. For example, virus. Second one is eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are unicellular organisms. That means they are having a single cellular structure. For example, bacteria. Prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are the species which are uh, multicellular, for example, fungi. Next one is other category, which involves the prions and viroids. Viroids are the smaller species than that of viruses. There are several references which are useful for the study of branches of bacteria and several microorganisms. Thank you.